and I was listening to my Phenomenalama this weekend, and he was talking about something else. He wasn't talking about women's power, but it gave me a good model for how to speak about it, because he was talking about music. And he said, music is comprised of two separate things. One is the instrumentation, the sound, the violin, the piano, the drums, the cymbal, but it's equal and matched to silence. Music actually issues from the silence. Not only does it issue from it, but it punctuates. I mean, yeah, not only does it issue from it, but silence punctuates the music. Not only this, but it's where we go in the music to come back and find the meaning of the music. The music itself, just the instruments, is cacophony. It's just clanging and banging if it isn't punctuated by silence. That, to my mind, is one of the best ways that I see women's power. That there is a way that it issues from us. And that if we aren't in full ownership of it, then the cacophony that we see, the unpunctuated, endless sound, looks desperate and hopeless.